In this video, I will show how to type proportional symbol in Microsoft Word. So there are two ways. First one, click on Insert Equation. In this ribbon, find out proportional symbol and select it. And click on this outside of box. Another way, Insert Symbol, More Symbols, and in font, select Cambria, Math. In subset, find out medical. Find out this mathematical operators. And here, select this one, proportional. Character code for this 221D and shortcut key Alt plus X. 221D Alt plus X. Then click on Insert and shortcut key 221D. Now select it and press Ctrl Alt plus X. Just press Alt plus X. That's it. So thanks for watching.